Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have a La Pavoni or Piccola. This unit had been sitting in storage for about 10 years, so the owner wasn't sure what was necessarily wrong with it. They thought there might have been a leak somewhere. And when we performed our diagnosis, there was a leak. There was actually a few leaks, but that just is pretty standard with La Pavoni because they're, decades old. So we just took her apart and replaced gaskets, and now she's working like a charm. So let's pull a shot, lift the lever, which allows water to go into the group head, and you push down on the lever, and then out comes your coffee. And La Pavonis usually give you about a 1 ounce shot, and this is a 2 ounce cup, so it's coming out a bit sporadic right now. It's clear that our coffee wasn't ground enough, that's why the water's coming out so quickly. But that's the thing about La Pavonis, it takes a lot of fine-tuning your coffee grinder, trying to perfect the coarseness and also the level that you put into your portafilter so that you can get the perfect shot. La Pavonis are tricky trying to get the perfect shot, but when you do, it's really worth it. And let's turn on the steam. And there you have it. Fully functioning machine.